Excuse me, where's the check-in counter for Flight 123 to New York?
It's right over there, next to the information desk. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check in.
Please place it on the scale. Do you have any carry-on luggage?
Yes, I have this backpack.
Great. Here is your boarding pass. Your flight boards at Gate 5 at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you. Can you tell me how to get to Gate 5?
Sure, go straight down this hall and take the escalator to the second floor. Follow the signs for Gate 5.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
关键词汇 Key vocabulary 报到柜台 Check-in counter 登机证 Boarding pass 随身行李 Carry-on luggage 登机门 Gate 秤 Scale 电梯 Escalator 句型结构 Sentence structures 可以用来目的的地点在哪里 Where is the place for purpose 你有没有物品 Do you have any object 你能告诉我怎么去地点吗 Can you tell me how to get to location 语言小贴士 Language tips 1. 使用礼貌用语例如请问 Excuse me 和谢谢 Thank you 2. 注意与旅行相关的特定术语例如登机证 Boarding pass 和登机门 Gate 3. 练习在机场内给予和理解方向指示